came to Miami for a baby shower, and because of the snowstorm in New York, we are here for a whole week. They shut down the airports, they canceled our flight, and so instead of leaving Monday evening, we're leaving Friday evening, making it a whole 7 days. So we are making the most out of this trip, and we are sightseeing, and we're being tourists, non-douchey tourists, because if you're a New Yorker, you know how annoying tourists can be, and we refuse to be those people.
What's up?
Where are you?
Places. You don't even know that.
Yes, you want to try
Chris Pakakumba.
In orange and
We're ready.
And smile.
by the water, get this picture.
It's swimming.
How do they swim?
I'm swimming, Luffy. Look out.
Look at that shark.
Ours.
Yes, baby.
Salome? That up. I'm wrong.